This is the sun visor extender. So as you guys can see, it easily folds up, and we pull it down here, and there you go. So, and you can adjust it. And what this basically does is it helps block the sun even better. Now there is double-sided tape on here that you do want to pull off. So this tape, just peel that off. And there's one on the other side as well. There we go. So as you can see, you can still see fine. It just gives you that extra protection, and when you're done using it, you just push it back up in, fold it back up like normal, like nothing was ever changed. Again, pull it down. By the way, you do got pockets to put stuff in as well. So you have all these pockets right in here to put different things in. Just pull it down, tilt it to your needs. When you're done, push it right back up, and voila.